In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious lasagna soup recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 1 pound pork sausage, 1 onion, 1 can tomato puree, 1 can diced tomatoes, 3 tablespoons of oil, bow tie pasta, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of basil, 3 garlic cloves shredded, a quarter teaspoon of chili flakes, 2 tablespoons of parsley, half a cup of ricotta cheese, half a cup of Italian cheese, half a cup of Parmesan cheese. In a pot over heat, we're going to start by adding the oil. Add the onions and saute them. Now we're going to add in the garlic and saute for a couple of seconds, making sure not to burn it. Add in the meat and cook thoroughly. Once cooked, we're going to season with the salt, pepper, oregano, basil, and the chili flakes. Now we're going to add the tomato puree and mix until well combined. Once combined, we're going to add in our diced tomatoes. Now we're going to add in 6 cups of water. We're going to cover our soup with the lid and simmer for 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes, we're going to add in our bow tie pasta and simmer again for 15 minutes or until it's completely cooked. After the pasta is completely cooked, we're going to add in half of the parsley. In a bowl, we're going to mix together the ricotta, Italian cheese, and the Parmesan and mix until completely combined. Once combined, we're going to add in some of our remaining parsley. We will use this cheese mixture to top our finished soup. Our soup is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.